Hello and welcome to Back to Coding. In the previous video, we saw data classes in Kotlin. In this video, we will see object keyword in Kotlin. Kotlin introduced a new keyword object which is used to create a class for which only single instance can be created. With the object keyword, we can easily implement a software design pattern which is singleton pattern. Let's first understand what is singleton. Singleton is an object-oriented pattern where a class can have only one instance. It limits a class to have a single instance during an entire lifecycle of an application. When a class is declared singleton, then we cannot create multiple instances for it. In Kotlin, when we declare a class using object keyword, then there will be only one instance created by default. You cannot create an instance for this class. It will be provided by default. Let's go to our editor and quickly see how we create a singleton pattern using Java. Here we have declared a static final instance to return an instance. Also, we have made the constructor private so that no one can instantiate this class using a constructor. And to get an instance, we have declared a getInstance method. Now what is static and private? We are going to see it shortly. Don't worry about that. So here, if you try to create an instance using a new keyword in Java, then it shows an error. Let's see that. It shows singleton pattern constructor has private access in singleton pattern class. So this ensures us that we will always have a single instance. Now let's see whether Kotlin really gives us a singleton class using the keyword object. We will quickly declare a class named Kotlin using object. Go to src folder, new, Kotlin file class, give the name Kotlin using object and hit enter. Declare a variable inside it. Then go to Tools, Kotlin, Show Kotlin bytecode, which will open the Kotlin bytecode panel. Now click the decompile button in the panel. And as you can see here, the class is similar to our singleton pattern class which we declared earlier using Java. This has a static block which returns an instance, and also here the constructor is declared private. So this tells us that Kotlin's object keyword internally generates a singleton class in background for us. Now let's implement a class using object keyword in our program. Here we have declared a class student details using object keyword, in which we have declared functions like add student record for adding records, remove student record for removing student records, and list all students for displaying a list of all the records. The use of object keyword restricts inconsistent entries, so it makes your software highly efficient and reliable. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, to get more such informational videos. Please give it a like, share it with your friends and comment down your thoughts below. And don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.